Hi, I'm Caitlin from the Joymaker team.
And I'm Matt, the head of marketing here at TravelJoy, and welcome to another episode of Moments of Joy, our weekly demo series of tips and tricks to help you get the most out of TravelJoy. Caitlin, it is a very big week here. Can you tell us a little bit about what you've been working on this week?
Absolutely, Matt. We are gearing up to bring you Powered by Joy, What's New Spring 2026, today at 3 p.m. Eastern. This webinar is going to go over a lot of the brand new releases we've brought to you over the past few months, as well as a sneak peek into what's next.
So we hope you'll join us for our webinar to see everything that's new at TravelJoy. But here at Moments of Joy, we also like to make sure that we highlight little features you might have missed along the way that can have a really big impact on your workflow. One of those allows you to really personalize your email templates to clients, and it's called Merge Fields.
Merge Fields is one of my favorite tools, and I'm so excited to show you how to use it today. Now, if you've edited an email template before, you've likely seen this here, Hi Client Preferred Name. This is what we call a merge field. This is a code that's going to bring your client's information into the email template automatically when you send it to them. So your client's name will appear here when you send them a message on their trip or through their client profile. But did you know there's a lot of different options when it comes to merge fields? For example, if I need to put in a date for a client's waiver to be signed for, say, an activity, I can go to this three-dot menu, insert, and review all of the different merge fields we have to offer. Now, the one that I'm looking for is going to be underneath trip, and you'll notice we have a lot of different date options here, but the one I'm going to be using is custom number of days before start date. This is because this waiver is required to be filled out 14 days ahead of time, so if I use this option, it's going to insert that merge field, and I can customize that number according to what I need. I also can add another detail, such as the client's destination. So I can't wait to see all of your photos from, and I'll use again that three-dot menu, insert, and we'll look for that destination merge field. We'll use an exclamation point at the end, and then save our template in place. What this looks like on a trip is if we choose to send our client a message and use that email template, date reminder, it's going to pull in all of the details that we just added. So we've got our 14 days before the trip start date and our destination. That way, every email is sent out with a personalized touch.
Caitlin, thank you so much. Those merge fields really make it easy for you to keep all of your emails personalized, even as you start to automate more and more to save time. Now, in addition to the webinar we already talked about, Powered by Joy, what's new at TravelJoy, we also have a workshop this week. What topic are we doing a deep dive on Thursday?
Yep, it's an exciting week for us here at TravelJoy. Our workshop topic is going to be payments. So you'll learn everything about how to accept payments on TravelJoy, process credit card authorizations. It's all there for you. So we highly recommend attending on Thursday to see what's going on with payments.
The links to sign up for both the Powered by Joy What's New webinar and the Payments Workshop are in the description for this video. And that is a wrap for this Wednesday. We will see you next week.
Bye!